Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 921, and today's topic is the manufacture of malathion and parathion. They are organic synthetic insecticides, and this malathion is manufactured from phospho derivative of that is ethionate and maleate ethionate diethyl. So these compounds, when they are reacted, there will be formation of malathion, and from malathion we are manufacturing parathion. And in the case of parathion, when malathion is treated with either para-nitro sodium phenate or sodium ethoxide, it is converted into parathion. Malathion is a very good insecticide, and it is not toxic to mammal, and with this we can destroy and kill all the pests and insects which are destroying our vegetable, fruit, flower. And also malathion is used domestically inside house to kill mosquito, housefly and cockroach. This malathion is 100 times less toxic to human mammalians as compared to parathion. Parathion is more effective insecticide as compared to malathion. So here malathion is an organic synthetic insecticide. It is phosphorodithionate insecticide and is manufactured from ethyl, maleate and dimethyldithiophosphate. This is your dimethyldithiophosphate. It has low human toxicity and used for fruits, vegetables, field crops and household insects. Chemically, it is dimethyl diphosphate of diethyl mercaptosuccinate. It is amber color, liquid, partly soluble in water but completely soluble in most of the organic solvents. It is 100 times less toxic as compared to parathion to humans, but more powerful insecticidal action. It is also good miticide and effective against mosquitoes, houseflies and external parasites on livestock. It also acts as a fungicide as well as a rat repellent. It is applied as dust, emulsions and vegetable powder. So this is your dimethyl diphosphate. When it is treated with ethyl maleate, you will get malathion. So second is parathion. Is a very powerful insecticide, and also the advantage is that it is very cheap as compared to malathion. So parathion, it is dimethyl para-nitro phenyl thiophosphate and can be manufactured by treating phosphorus trichloride with sodium ethoxide and then treating the product with sodium para nitrophenate. Malathion is an organophosphorus insecticide which can also be manufactured by the reaction of diethyl phosphochlorothionate and sodium nitrophenoxide in a reactor which is a jacketed kettle fitted with a stirrer and cooling device. Actually, in a very big jacket, it is fit with a very powerful stirrer, and the cooling devices are attached. With that devices, you can manufacture Malathion. The chlorodiethoxy phosphorus derivative required for the reaction of ethyl alcohol with PSCl3. So this is your sodium paranitrophenate plus diethyl paranitrophenate thiophosphate. When these two will react, there will be formation of Malathion. This is the structure of Malathion. And Malathion is yellow oily liquid with a garlic odor. It smells a strong smell of garlic, and it is sparingly soluble in water, kerosene and paraffin hydrocarbons, but normally soluble in ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. It is cheap, effective and powerful insecticide in a small amount. It is very powerful insecticide and kills mites, ticks, and useful in citrus, fruits and vegetable crops. So with this I will stop this Malathion and Malathion, that is organophosphorus insecticides. They are very effective, and also some repellent and attractants are also manufactured, and these are also used, and they are mainly used for insects or pests to be either attracted or as a repellent to repel them. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.